and my husband, we host two of our cars on the Turo website, and this is one of them, our Maxima. We put it on the Turo platform, and people just really don't respect other people's stuff. Typically when we meet one of the customers or whatever, we could tell if they're smokers or not. And we had a bad experience with one person. They took the car, and then the car was booked back to back. So they took the car, they brought it back, they smoked in the car even after we let them know the rules. There's no smoking in the car, and it's clear in the description, this is not a smoking vehicle. They still smoked in the car, and I'm not talking cigarettes, I'm talking something else, okay? So they still smoked in the car. Now, for people who are non-smokers and for business purposes, this is not a good thing, okay? The smell is so hard to get out of this car. They had the car for, I would say, about a month. So imagine a month of smoking in the car every single day. They had to be smoking in the car every single day. Still now, I would say it has been about 3 weeks in the car. No, 4 weeks, and the car has booked twice since then. So we warned the first person that was going to book the car after this customer, hey, somebody smoked in the car, we can give you your money back or whatever, you can book something else. They still chose to book the car, and then they gave us a bad rating after that, after they booked the car. Then the person who booked the car, who originally smoked in the car, right, they try to book it again for like a whole month. Bro, declined. You're a bad customer, and you're messing with our money at this point, because now we got to get the car clean. At this point, we're gonna have to get the car detailed. And then the next person, we warned him again because the car was booked again. Oh, and by the way, the girl who booked the car after that smoker, she was a smoker too. So she was just leveraging the fact that we warned her about it to use against us at the end of the day, right? So then the next person, we warned him, we told him, he was like, oh, I can't believe they gave you a bad rating. I'm so sorry about that. So he said he was a smoker for many years. It's fine. Okay, we give him the car. Car comes back yesterday. Not yesterday, the other day? Oh, maybe yesterday. I think yesterday. Car comes back yesterday, and he clearly hit the front bumper, and the sensor in the front is damaged. So if you plan on getting into the Turo business, just know you cannot don't do this with a car that you really have personal attachment to the car, because anything that the customer does do, you're going to be so upset. You're going to be pissed. So if you have any, like, oh, this is my baby, like people just want to make a little extra money, you cannot do that on this platform, because people do not care about your vehicle. They don't care.
Mommy, why should I open it?
Oh my God, this boy is opening his whole lunchbox back there. Close your lunchbox. That's for lunch. Put that back.